Welcome back to the EasyJobs tutorial. In your company career page to showcase brand, culture and build instant trust with every candidate, a well-chosen team photo is a must. Today, we will learn how to add team photos to your career site's EasyJobs company page. First, log into the EasyJobs account with your credentials. From the EasyJobs dashboard's left sidebar, click on the Settings menu. Then, navigate to the Personalized settings and scroll down to Photos for the Showcase team and company. Click on the Delete icon and select Yes in the pop-up to confirm removing the Showcase photo. Click on the Change Photo button and from your device select the team photo you want to add and press the Open button. Resize the uploaded image and hit the Save button. Similarly, change other photos with the team photos you want to add the same way. And to show the team photos on the company page, tick the empty box. Scroll up and click on the View Company Page button to see the changes you have made by adding new team photos. You can also change the gallery view layout of your team and company photo. Switch to Template tab and on a template, click the Preview button to see the layout design and click on the cross icon to close the preview. Let's preview another template with the same steps, and after choosing a layout, hit the Select button to update the template. Now, click on the View Company Page button to see the new changes. And this is how you add team photos and customize your company career page easily in EasyJobs to give it a fresh and professional look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more EasyJobs tips and tutorials.